Welcome to jetNEXUS tutorials for fast, scalable and resilient applications. In tutorial 6 we're going to create an SSL offload service. Okay, so let's begin. So in this tutorial we're going to add a third service to the same virtual IP address, so we must click add port. The service will listen on port 443. So we're going to call it SSL Offload. The servers will listen on port 80. So we can choose HTTP, press enter. The focus shifts down to the real servers and we put in the real server IP address, which is 211, and they're listening on port 80, so this is an offloaded service. This is web server 1. We can add in another server now, so 212 is web server 2 and 213 is web server 3. So the default settings when you create a new service will be to load balance according to least connections, and there will be no SSL on the channel. So once we've completed this third server, we can test out connection to HTTPS tutorial.jetnexus.com, and it won't work. And the reason being is because there's no certificate applied to this service. So let's just test that out. So if we go to tutorial.jetnexus.com, we put in our HTTPS ://, get rid of the 81, press enter, and we can see it's timing out. This little circle here means it's timing out. So let's go back to the load balancer. If we look at our basic tab, see everything's contextual. As you scroll up with the virtual services on the top, you can see everything on the bottom section changes. And we need to highlight our 443 service, then go to the virtual service SSL certificate and choose a certificate. In this case we've chosen one called default. There you go, you can see there's no SSL on the channel above it or the service above it, but there is on the 443 service, so it says default. So now you can see it's just popped up, and if we look at that certificate, it should be the web console, and it is. Thanks for watching, and please check out the rest of the series from the links below. There's also a link to get your very own ALB-X free trial.